show you some of the snow piles building up as people shovel. Love her. Oh man, this red car is fucked. Oh my god. Car stuck, a cop truck. I gotta try to get over this snow. Oh my god. Oh, the SUV stuck. So much for four-wheel drive today. Well, this guy is stuck. Here we have more people stuck. Get at the corners. This guy hits me. Here we are on 13th and 78th Street. There's a Dominos, by the way. There are two abandoned buses just left in the middle of 13th. Looks like the drivers have long gone and they're just keeping these things. Let's see what the rest of 13th is like. Oh man, there's more buses down there. By the time I stitch this video together, it's just going to be every corner I come across. But look at 13th Avenue. Car's just abandoned in the middle of the block. This is insane, man. I've never seen anything like this.